Never gonna work. Fuck yeah. Well, okay, I'm going to go into your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Boys, no one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back. All the way back.
All the way to the Big Bang?
95% certain.
Which means there's a 5% chance we're just in a tunnel.
A tunnel? In space?
We've seen weirder things, Quill. I am Groot. Yes, like that. I am Groot. And that.
Bring in that generator. It's the only way.
There it is! We got the generator!
It's about time. Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? Nobody, link your star blasters. We have him contained, but not for long. Our move would have been perfect. That is not a word.
Sure is. Stands for every person comes out tired.
Wow, I don't get it. You really think they deserve to know girls? Do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them. Now I understand.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.